Diseases often strike without notice, and we usually treat them with conventional medications. However, most of these medications have terrible side effects, which is why many people resort to using natural remedies. Today we're going to show you an amazing plant that can greatly improve your health. Nature holds numerous remedies for each and every illness. Certain plants contain essential vitamins and minerals that can restore our health and treat any disease that exists. However, we shouldn't seek remedies only when we're sick. According to experts, preventative measures are the best medication. Today we'll talk about a simple ingredient that is present in any kitchen: oregano. Oregano is a common spice usually added to pizza or salads, but not many people are aware that it also has incredible health benefits that can improve our overall health. Here's how to prepare an oregano mixture that will restore your health. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of powdered oregano or 3 tablespoons of fresh oregano leaves. 300 milliliters of mineral water. Preparation: put the water in a pot and cook it until it boils, then take it off the heat as soon as it reaches the boiling point. Next, add the oregano in a cup and pour the hot water over it, then let the mixture steep for 10 minutes. Once it cools down, add some honey and drink a cup of the tea 3 times a week to boost your health and prevent numerous diseases and conditions. If you're using the tea to treat a disease, we suggest taking it 2 times a day and 3 times a week. The tea doesn't have any side effects, so you can safely drink it until all your symptoms are gone. Health benefits of oregano tea: detoxifies the body, has antioxidant properties, slows down the aging process, strengthens the bones, has anti-inflammatory properties, keeps the skin healthy, protects against colds, improves digestion, relieves digestive problems, improves circulation. As you can see, oregano tea is one of the healthiest things you can consume. By drinking it regularly, your body will thank you.